This is just to show one or two things I've been working on over the last week in connection with this Sieg X2 Cnc mill conversion. This is a plastic junction box I made out of PLA on my 3D printer, drawn up in SketchUp and then printed out. It's a 6-way box, gives me 2 entries, exit for X-axis, exit for Y-axis, and an exit for Z-axis, and the E-stop. This will fasten to the back of the Z-axis pillar on the mill, and then I can run plastic conduit, flexible conduit to it to make the wiring a bit more secure and a bit neater. And while I was on doing this, I thought I would just give you a closer view of the motor mount gland nut adapter I made, which you can screw a gland nut to, and then the flexible conduit to form a good secure fixing and routing of the wires to the motor, as opposed to just having 4 wires just coming out of the motor, which I'm sure would damage in time through motion. So that's that one. I'm pleased with that. Took some time to draw and get the model to work right in for the 3D printer. I had several attempts where this item wasn't a solid component with that item, so the prints were useless, but eventually with some perseverance I managed to get it all as one solid, and it's done a nice tidy job. One other little bracket I made using SketchUp was this one. It will eventually fit on the inner side of the door of the control box to support a gland nut for the mains wiring. At the moment it's secured with a cable tie, which doesn't look very promising or very good, so I've now printed that bracket, which will fasten to the corner of the door case and allow the gland nut and flexible conduit to attach to it. One little cheat I've done, and I'll be cheating again next time I fit a flexible conduit, was I'd previously soldered on all these ends, and of course when I decided to fit the gland nuts and flexible pipe, these were too big to thread through, so I cheated and I've split it. Still holds very firmly. I can't even show you how firmly it is, but take it from me, I have split it to get the wires in. I don't know if you can see there, yeah, just a knife cut, but next time I do it I'll thread the wires first before I solder the ends on. But there you go, that's another little Aspen mistake. Oh, and talking about mistakes, oh dear, I had this little 12 volt DC power pack last week, and it's supposed to convert 40 volts down to between 5 and 38 volts on the outside, and I plugged it straight into the 38 volts, and lo and behold, I got the magic smoke. And so I bought some more components. To replace it with, but the pinouts were different, and I worked out from the data sheets what the pinouts were on the two different ICs, and I soldered it all up with these wires to get the pinouts correct. And I've just found out, as you can probably see, I've soldered back the original IC which had the magic smoke. So there you are. That was clever. Anyway, that's all for now. Cheers. Bye.